Welcome to the 2-inch deck. This is just me. I haven't tech decked for about 5 years, maybe more. I really want to get my ollies down. I really want to get the kickflip down. And then in this video, I also try to land them both in a manual. I'm not trying those manuals yet because that's a bit too out of the question. I want to try and get them all a bit more fluid, a bit more consistent. My consistency is not quite there right now. I've been doing it for 1 day. I'm gonna try and do not daily updates, like weekly updates on this. Heel flip maybe at some point. I know that was always difficult. No one could ever do that in my school. Actually, I think a few people could. So as you can see, I just put some clips in the background. This is me fucking up, me messing around, just seeing what it looks like to record it. I've never recorded this sort of stuff before. So my friend is also a lot better. He'll probably be doing some videos on this channel as well. So if you like fingerboarding, I'm going to put a link to this fingerboard I got in the description below. It's from Amazon. It costs about $10, about £6. It's pretty cheap. It's wooden. It's what you pay for it. It's not great, but I don't know what's good right now. I don't know what's good. So yeah, this is just the first video. This is my day 1 of getting back into fingerboarding. Not really any good lines. I'm going to try and do a weekly upload. Like I said, every week I'm going to try and perfect a different line. Just hammer it out, record it from lots of different angles, see what's going on, but maybe even do some fingerboarding around the streets, out and about. I don't know. Fingerboarding seems quite fun. As it's raining a lot, it's going to be cool as well. Now it's winter again, I'm not going to be out as much, so it's going to be something to do. So just stay tuned, we're going to be doing some more. I'm going to show you some more clips. I don't know how many clips I got. I just recorded for about 5 minutes. Not even that, so let's see what I got. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, that'd be nice. We do more fingerboarding stuff. I don't know if fingerboarding is that popular. I think it's more of an like underground sort of thing, so stay tuned for more. This is just the first video.